During this pandemic, there have been a lot of restaurants that are getting really creative with their delivery services. Blackout in Soho, who is known for their crazy milkshakes and burgers, has just come out with their new DIY crazy shakes. So today I'm gonna be making the cake shake and the Brooklyn Blackout. They sent me all of the fixings, cones, sprinkles, chocolate sauce. Looks like 2 different kind of milkshakes. So first up, build it. Looks like they've already dipped this cup and rolled it in chocolate chips. So they want me to drizzle the chocolate sauce into the cup like that. So we're gonna try it. This would be really fun for kids, I think. This would be super creative. Dessert time would be a blast. This is the milkshake that I'm going to carefully, ooh, this looks amazing. Place 2 brownies into the cup. Looks like the brownie is already pre-cut. Just split it open, put that in here. Step 4, add the whipped cream. This I can do. It says to drizzle it on. I'm gonna get my counter a little messy here probably, but it's worth it. Sprinkle mini chocolate chips on top of the whipped cream. And that, my friends, is a Brooklyn Blackout. Wow, that is fantastic. So we are now going to try the cake shake. As you can see, it's pre-dipped in what looks like a frosting with some sprinkles. Pour this in, which is step 1. There's a whole piece of cake in here. So we're literally gonna just plop that bad boy on top. And now it says add whipped cream on top of the cake slice. Here we go. Make it pretty. So they gave me a little cup of rainbow sprinkles. Again, this is gonna get messy, but that's okay. They literally gave me a little maraschino cherry. Just plop that on. It looks just like the picture. So good. And there you have it. I tried the crazy shakes at home. Huge thumbs up for this. This is so fun. I don't know how I'm gonna finish both of these, but they look pretty fabulous, so I might have to do it.